In the world of technology, a single statement can shake the very foundations of our understanding. Recently, Mark Zuckerberg, the CEO of Meta, made such a statement. Mark Zuckerberg, a name that needs no introduction, is known for his role as the co-founder and CEO of Meta, formerly known as Facebook. He's been a game changer, a trendsetter, and a visionary in the tech world. From revolutionizing social media to pioneering the concept of the metaverse, Zuckerberg has consistently been at the forefront of technological innovation. Recently, he made a statement that has sent ripples through the tech community worldwide. This statement was about artificial general intelligence, or AGI. But what is AGI, you ask? Well, in the simplest terms, AGI refers to a type of artificial intelligence that possesses the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks, just as a human would. It's a concept that has been at the heart of numerous debates and discussions within the AI community, and Zuckerberg's statement has just added another layer to this ongoing dialogue. In his statement, Zuckerberg wrote, "Some updates on our AI efforts. Our long-term vision is to build general intelligence, open source it responsibly, and make it widely available so everyone can benefit. We're bringing our two major AI research efforts, FAIR and Gemini, closer together to support this. We're currently training our next-gen model, Llama 3, and we're building massive compute infrastructure to support our future roadmap, including 350 KH100s by the end of this year, and overall almost 600 KH100ES equivalents of compute, if you include other GPUs. Also really excited about our progress building new AI-centric computing devices like Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. Lots more to come soon." But what does this statement really mean? How does it impact the realm of artificial intelligence? Well, stay tuned as we delve deeper into these questions in the upcoming scenes. We'll be exploring the implications of Zuckerberg's statement, its potential impact on the AI world, and what it means for us as we navigate through this age of rapid technological advancement. To comprehend the gravity of this statement, we must dissect it and delve into its implications. As we embark on this quest, let's remember, Zuckerberg's words, as the founder of one of the largest tech giants, are not just words. They are signals, signposts guiding us toward the future of technology, especially in the realm of artificial general intelligence, or AGI. Let's start by breaking down the statement. His words are a clear declaration of faith in AGI's potential to change our world. This is significant because, until now, much of the AI world has been focused on narrow AI, algorithms that excel in specific tasks, but falter when asked to generalize their learning to other areas. Zuckerberg's statement suggests a shift in perspective, a shift away from these narrow confines towards the broader horizons of AGI. This is a bold move, one that will undoubtedly stir the pot in the AI community. It implies a readiness to tackle the challenges that AGI presents, and more importantly, a belief in its feasibility. But what does this mean for the rest of us? Well, if a tech giant like Facebook is betting on AGI, it's safe to say that others will follow suit. This could lead to a surge in investment, research, and development in AGI, accelerating its growth and bringing us closer to a world where machines can understand, learn, and adapt just like humans. However, this doesn't come without its set of challenges. AGI's potential is vast, but so are the ethical and societal implications. Will AGI be a tool for progress or a threat to our autonomy? These are questions we must ask as we step into this new era. Zuckerberg's words carry significant weight, but what does this mean for the future of AI? Well, it's clear that we're on the cusp of a new frontier in AI, a frontier filled with potential and fraught with challenges. But isn't that the very essence of exploration? After all, every new dawn brings with it the promise of discovery and the thrill of the unknown. Zuckerberg's statement sends shockwaves through the AI community, but what changes can we expect? Indeed, a single statement from a titan of technology like Mark Zuckerberg can send tremors through the landscape of artificial intelligence. But how, you ask? Let's delve into the potential implications. Firstly, Zuckerberg's words could significantly influence the direction of AI research. The statement suggests a shift in focus towards artificial general intelligence, or AGI. This is a type of AI that has the ability to understand, learn, and apply its intelligence to any intellectual task that a human being can do. This could mean that more resources and efforts could be channeled towards AGI research, sparking a new era of innovation and discovery. Secondly, the statement could also reshape the AI industry's priorities. It indicates a potential move away from narrow AI applications like recommendation algorithms or voice recognition towards more complex human-like AI. This could lead to a dramatic transformation of the AI landscape, with companies scrambling to adapt to this new direction and stay competitive. Thirdly, Zuckerberg's statement could impact the regulatory environment. With the potential rise of AGI, lawmakers may need to rethink how AI is governed. This could lead to new laws and regulations designed to ensure that AGI is developed and used responsibly and ethically. And finally, the statement could have a profound impact on society at large. If the vision of AGI becomes a reality, it could change how we work, learn, and interact. It could redefine our relationship with technology and challenge our very understanding of intelligence. So as we can see, the potential impacts of Zuckerberg's statement are far-reaching. It could influence the direction of research, reshape industry priorities, impact regulations, and even change society as we know it. The ripples of Zuckerberg's words are starting to spread, but what can we, as AI enthusiasts, do to stay ahead? Let's find out in the next segment. Change is the only constant in the tech world. To thrive, one must adapt. In the dynamic world of technology, the ability to adapt is an essential skill, especially in the domain of artificial general intelligence. The recent statement by Mark Zuckerberg underlines this fact and opens up new avenues of exploration. To adapt to these changes, it's crucial to understand the implications of the statement. It's not just about technology evolving, it's about how this evolution impacts society, businesses, and individuals. It's about the intersection of technology and ethics, the balance of innovation and responsibility. One of the best ways to adapt to these changes and stay updated is by actively participating in the discourse around artificial general intelligence. Engage in discussions, ask questions, share your thoughts. The community of AI enthusiasts is vast and diverse, and there's always something new to learn. Another effective way to stay informed is by following thought leaders and influencers in the field. Their insights can provide a fresh perspective and help you understand the broader implications of the changes. Remember, it's not just about following the news, it's about understanding the context and making sense of the information. Educating oneself is also key. Whether it's through books, online courses, or seminars, continuous learning can help you adapt to the rapidly changing landscape of artificial general intelligence. Take advantage of the wealth of resources available and never stop learning. Moreover, consider practical applications. How can you apply what you've learned? How can you contribute to the field? This not only helps you adapt, but also pushes the boundaries of what's possible in artificial general intelligence. Finally, embrace the change. It might be overwhelming at times, but remember that every change brings new opportunities. The statement by Mark Zuckerberg is a testament to this. It's a call to action for all AI enthusiasts to step up and be part of this exciting journey. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay ahead.
Hey everyone. Today I'm bringing Meta's two AI research efforts closer together to support our long-term goals of building general intelligence, open sourcing it responsibly, and making it available and useful to everyone in all of our daily lives. It's become clearer that the next generation of services requires building full general intelligence. Building the best AI assistants, AIs for creators, AIs for businesses, and more, that needs advances in every area of AI, from reasoning to planning to coding to memory and other cognitive abilities. This technology is so important, and the opportunities are so great that we should open source and make it as widely available as we responsibly can so that way everyone can benefit. And we're building an absolutely massive amount of infrastructure to support this. By the end of this year, we're going to have around 350,000 NVIDIA H100s, or around 600,000 H100 equivalents of compute if you include other GPUs. We're currently training Llama 3, and we've got an exciting roadmap of future models that we're going to keep training responsibly and safely too. People are also going to need new devices for AI, and this brings together AI and the metaverse. Because over time, I think a lot of us are going to talk to AIs frequently throughout the day. And I think a lot of us are going to do that using glasses. Because glasses are the ideal form factor for letting an AI see what you see and hear what you hear, so it's always available to help out. Ray-Ban Meta glasses with Meta AI are already off to a very strong start, and overall across all this stuff, we are just getting started.